Oh, Sean, this way. Going up the stairs. Go knock on the door. Try again, one more time.
Hello. Take 2. There you go.
There you go.
Look so cute.
Put it in the bag.
Oh, you get to carry the bag, huh?
Oh, he's been flying. Once he realized that Mom's holding the bag, he's like, I can go twice as fast.
I can go get more candy.
All right, where are we off to?